Okay, so can, may, should, must. These are called modals. Okay, these are called modals. Can, may, should, must. Can, may, should, and must are verbs that we use for specific purposes. Okay, so can, may, should, must that we used for specific purposes. You submit your notebook today. Yes, ma'am. You complete your classwork now. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Can, may, should, and must are verbs that we use for specific purposes. We use can to talk about the ability to do something or the possibility of something happening. Okay. Ability to do something. তুমি পারতেও মানে দিতেও পারো নাও দিতে পারো, দিতেও পারো, করতেও পারো, নাও করতে পারো। আমি কি পারি? Can I do this? Okay, so we use can to talk about the ability to do something, or the possibility of something happening, So there can be heavy rainfall in the evening. This is possibility. I can meet you on Sunday. This is ability. Can I go out now? Asking for permission. The negative form of can is cannot. She cannot speak Hindi. You cannot go now. We use may to ask for and give permission. It also shows possibility. So can, may, this also shows, this indicates the possibility. May I go out, father? Asking for permission. You may catch a cold if you go out in this weather. Possibility. You may not go out. In negative sentence, you may not go out. The shop may not open at this door at this hour. We use must to show the importance of doing something. You must eat your meals on time. Okay, so can, may, might, must, these also are the possibility, and this is also happening. May happens or not. The negative form of must is must not. The negative form of must is must not. We must not waste time. You must not be rude. You should to give advice. The negative form of should is should not. Okay, so we should exercise in the morning. You should not stay here alone. This is also the should, মানে তোমার করতে হবে, করা উচিত। So mark this portion. First, it is also used to ask permission. In page number 65, we use can to talk about the ability to do something, the possibility of something happening. Just mark it with pencil. Mark it. It is also used to ask for permission. So can is used ask for permission. May is used for give permission. Okay, may to ask for and give permission. We use, mark it, we use may to ask for and give permission. Here we use can to talk about the ability to do something. Here you will mark it. It is also used to ask for permission, and also we use may to ask for and give permission. Here you will use, so mark it, can, may. Okay, and we use must to show the importance of doing something. We use must to show the importance of doing something. Okay, where we will use can, may, must, and in the must, should we use to give advice. Tomar kora uchit. You should give it, or you should do it. ওকে, সো তোমার করা উচিত এটা, we should do it, we should you should to give advice, to give advice. Can, may, must and should are always followed by another verb. I can run very fast, we may go to the market tomorrow. I can run very fast, we may go to the market tomorrow. Must and should have similar meanings, but must is used to show the importance of doing something. Should is used to give suggestion. So must and should, their meaning is same, they are same meaning. Okay, should and must. Should is used to only giving suggestion, only give to suggestion. Okay, and must is importance of doing something. Must, you, when you will use must, you must do, করতেই হবে, তোমাকে করতেই হবে। আর should কোথায় ইউজ করব? should হচ্ছে করা উচিত, there is the difference. must we will use তোমাকে করতেই হবে, আর should হচ্ছে তোমার করা উচিত। Okay, so must and should, there is the difference. Can আর may difference টা কোথায়? are always by another verb. I can run very fast, আমি দৌড়াতে পারি। we may go to the market, আমি যেতে পারি। ঠিক আছে, আমি দৌড়াতে পারি। There the meaning of these two sentences, the meanings are different. Okay, the meanings of these two sentences are different, but the meaning of may and can, these meanings are same. Can এর meaning of para, may এর meaning of para, কিন্তু but when we will use can, may in different sentences, so they are the can, may, the meanings of can, may are different. যখন আমরা দুটো সেন্টেন্স ইউজ করব তখন ক্যান আর মে ডিফারেন্সটা আমরা বুঝতে পারবো। ঠিক আছে, জাস্ট ওয়েট। ওকে, দেন 17, এগ্রিমেন্ট অফ সাবজেক্ট এন্ড ভার্ব। এটা আমি বলেছিলাম আগে, সাবজেক্ট আর ভার্ব এগ্রিমেন্ট when the subject is singular, the verb is singular. When the subject is plural, the verb is plural. This is the subject verb agreement. When the subject is singular, the verb is singular. When the subject is plural, the verb is plural. This is the subject verb agreement. Okay, you have already learned the sentence, that sentence has two parts, the subject and predicate. The sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject can be singular or plural. Okay, look at the following sentence. The moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. Bees suck nectar from flowers. I like to read books. He is eating pizza. Here, so subject is the moon and verb is the shines. The moon is singular, so shines is singular verb. Bees suck. Bees suck. Sorry, bees হচ্ছে plural. Suck হচ্ছে, then suck verb হচ্ছে plural. Okay, so subject is singular, subject verb is singular. When subject is plural, verb is plural. Okay, so he is eating pizza. Is eating, subject singular, he is eating singular. I like to read books. I singular, like হচ্ছে plural, sorry, singular. Okay, so here look at the following sentence. Again, the moon shines at night. Here the subject, the moon is singular, the verb shines is also singular. Bees suck nectar from flowers. The subject bees is plural, the verb suck is also plural. In a sentence, the verb must always agree with the subject in number and person. If the subject is singular, the verb must also the singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must also the plural. This is known as agreement of the verb and the subject. Agreement of the verb and the subject. So is, am, are, was, were, has, have. There are forms of the following verbs take with singular and plural subjects. Okay, so এইটা ভালো করে মার্ক করে রাখো, এই জায়গাটা মার্ক করে রাখো, am, is, am, are, was, were, has, have. হ্যাঁ, mark it with pencil, mark it, very important, very important thing. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have. I am tall, you are pretty, she is naughty, the game is exciting, we are doctors, Madan and Kabir are good boys, I was here, you were sleepy, she was angry, the night was cold, and Madan and Kabir were here last night. This is plural. I have a blue pen, singular. You have a sister, singular. He has a notebook, singular. And we have new notebooks, plural. And Madan and Kabir have new uniforms, that is plural. Okay, so subject verb agreement is very easy. Everyone read it. Yes, Farhan.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, what you have done today?
16 and
I
17.
can't listen in the middle.
16 and 17. Can
Okay,
be
ma'am.
asked.
Thank you. Ma'am, I'm just muting myself.
Okay, okay. Yes, Kaushali. Kaushali.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
ম্যাম আমার কোনো ডাউট নেই, ভুল করে হাতটা উঠে গেছে।
Okay. Then lower your hand.
হ্যালো ম্যাম।
Yes. Down your hand. Yes, Sharnakhi.
Ma'am, can you once again explain me the grammar bites of chapter number 16?
Yes, yes. Chapter number 16, can, may, should, must. Okay, these are called also modals. We use can to ask permission. Okay, so we use can to talk about the ability to do something. Para, it means ability. Can means para, it means ability, possibility, or something happening. There can be heavy rainfall in the evening. This also indicates the possibility. I can meet you Sunday. This indicates ability. Can I go out now? Asking for permission. So can indicates possibility, ability, asking for permission. In negative form, it is cannot. We use may to ask for and give permission. May. It also shows possibility. May I go out, Father? Asking for permission. And you may catch a cold if you go out in this weather. This is possibility. যদি তুমি বাইরে বেরো তাহলে তোমার ঠান্ডা লেগে যাবে এই ওয়েদারে। আর may I go out, Father? আমি কি বাইরে যেতে পারি বাবা? Asking for permission. So may is used asking, ask for or give permission. Ask for and give permission, both. We use must to show the importance of doing something. You must eat your meals on time. You must go to bed at 9 a.m. So importance of doing. Must মানে করতেই হবে, importance of doing. Okay. And should to give advice. We should use should to give advice. তোমার করা উচিত, you should do advice. Okay, you should exercise in the morning. You should not stay here alone. Advise দিচ্ছে, anyone advise you. Understood? Swarnakshi?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Yes, ma'am. I have understood.
Okay. अच्छा, Meheria.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this literature.
Literature.
Ma'am, what is meaning of?
Literature.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Literature you will tell me tomorrow because tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have literature class. Tell me tomorrow, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ashia Farhin. Ashia Farhin. Farzana Alam. Farzana.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will say that in my network issue, I will not join when you read chapter 16. I don't.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Ashia, just wait. Farzana, tell me. Chapter 16 now.
Ma'am, আমি বলছি আপনি যখন chapter 16
আমি যখন চ্যাপ্টার 16 পড়াচ্ছিলাম তখন তুমি নেটওয়ার্কের জন্য জয়েন করতে পারোনি, কিন্তু জাস্ট নাও আই এম এক্সপ্লেনিং চ্যাপ্টার 16 টু স্বর্ণাক্ষী। জাস্ট নাও আই এম এক্সপ্লেনিং এগেইন টু
Yes,
স্বর্ণাক্ষী।
ma'am, I hear.
Yes. What is problem? Have you any doubt? What is the problem?
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubt. Thank you.
Ashia, tell me. Tell me, Ashia.
Ma'am, I am saying.
Yes, tell me.
What is the meaning of? Yes, ma'am. What is the meaning of this?
English literature নয়, English language বলবে, literature নয়, language. Yes. Tell me.
What is
Possibility.
Yes, ma'am. What is the meaning of this? Yes, ma'am.
Possibility. পসিবিলিটি মিন্স সম্ভাবনা, হতেও পারে নাও হতে পারে, সম্ভাবনা। পসিবিলিটি মিন্স সম্ভাবনা। আজকে বৃষ্টি টুডে, আজকে বৃষ্টি হতেও পারে নাও হতে পারে।
Okay, ma'am.
আচ্ছা সাহিম,
Ma'am, my mother talking.
your mother, okay,
Hello, ma'am.
yes, হ্যাঁ বলুন বলুন।
ম্যাম আমার তো এমনি শরীর খারাপ,
আচ্ছা
আপনি পড়াচ্ছেন, আমি ওর পাশে আছি, ও
আচ্ছা
একটুকুও পড়ায় কান দিচ্ছে না, মানে আপনি যে পড়াচ্ছেন সেটাই ওর পড়ার দিকে একটুকু মন নেই, একদম পড়ার দিকে মন দিচ্ছে না, পড়াতে বাড়িতেও পড়ছে না। আমি কি একটু বকে দিন? আমি পড়ছি তো।
পড়ছি
ম্যাম
তো।
যে আন্ডারলাইন করতে বলেছে কথা করেছো? ম্যামকে
এই যে
জিজ্ঞাসা করো ম্যাম কথা আন্ডারলাইন
হ্যাঁ
করতে
হ্যাঁ
বলেছে।
হ্যাঁ 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 হুম, দেখো ওই
ম্যাম সাইমকে জিজ্ঞাসা করো সাইম করেছে কিনা।
করেছো সাহিম, করেছো? হাসছে। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, করে নাও করে নাও, আমি বলছি। পেজ নাম্বার 65 দেখো, ক্যান মে শুড
ম্যাম
মাস্ট।
একটু পড়ার দিকে মনোযোগ নেই ওর,
আমি দেখলাম তো ওর ইয়ে তো।
একটু পড়ার দিকে মনোযোগ নেই সাইমের।
পড়ো বাবা, ভালো করে পড়ো, হ্যাঁ
একটু পড়ায় মন
পড়ো।
দিচ্ছে না, শুধু শুধু বই নিয়ে বসে আছে, একটুও পড়ায় মন দিচ্ছে না। নট আন্ডারলাইন।
Yes, yes, yes. We can use, it is also used to may, দেখো can এর সেন্টেন্সে দেখো আছে, it is also used to ask for permission. Can is used ask for permission. Can is used ask for permission. Page number 65. Page chapter 16. আমার সাথে পেজ নাম্বার নাও মিলতে পারে। Chapter 16 ওপেন করো, chapter 16. 16 এ দেখো, it is also used for ask for permission. আচ্ছা আমি স্টাডি ম্যাটেরিয়ালে পেজটা পাঠিয়ে দেবো, ঠিক আছে, আমি আন্ডারলাইন করে স্টাডি ম্যাটেরিয়ালে দিয়ে দেবো, করে নেবে, ঠিক আছে।
হ্যালো ম্যাম,
Yes.
আমাকে আনমিউট করে রাখবেন,
আচ্ছা
আমার অসুবিধা হয় বলতে পারিনি।
বলতে পারো না কেন? তুমি রেইজ হ্যান্ড করবে, হ্যান্ড রেইজ করবে, আমি সঙ্গে
Okay,
সঙ্গে
ma'am.
তোমার হ্যাঁ আনমিউট করব, তুমি বলবে, হ্যান্ড রেইজ করবে।
ওকে ম্যাম, নো মোর ডাউট।
ওকে আচ্ছা আফরিনা,
Ma'am, you can tell that next Tuesday is someone's class.
yes yes tell me.
Ma'am, you can tell that next Tuesday someone's class.
Next Tuesday Soham sir class. No, I'm not telling that. Okay, just give me 1 minute, I will give your attendance. Just 1 minute. Okay. Everyone, bye bye.